Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset Safari on your Mac. If Safari has been running slow, crashing, freezing, showing too many pop-ups, or certain websites aren't loading correctly, resetting Safari can often fix the problem. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. Now, at the top left corner of your screen, click on Safari, then select Settings or Preferences, depending on your Mac OS version. Once the Settings window opens, go to the Privacy tab. Here, click on Manage Website Data. This will show you all the cookies, cache files, and website data stored in Safari. To completely reset this data, click on Remove All. Then confirm by clicking Remove Now. This will clear website data, cookies, and cached files that may be causing Safari issues. Next, go to the History option in the top menu bar. Then click on Clear History. You can choose the time frame you want to clear. If you want a full Safari reset, select All History. Then click Clear History again. This will remove your browsing history, search history, and additional cache files. Now let's disable extensions, because sometimes browser extensions can also cause Safari problems. Go back to Safari Settings, then open the Extensions tab. From here, you can either turn extensions off one by one, or uninstall the ones you no longer use. And finally, if Safari is still acting strange, you can force quit it and reopen it. Simply click the Apple logo at the top left, choose Force Quit, select Safari, and click Force Quit. Then reopen Safari normally. And that's how you reset Safari on Mac. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Mac tutorials.